Good morning. For those of you who are just beginning to follow this is one old man as he's trying to prepare to get ready to go to the Alpine Loop for a couple of days of adventure with my brother. So actually it's going to be two old men attacking the Alpine Loop. And I fly a drone just for fun, but I decided, I've got this YouTube channel going, why don't I use it for that and see what happens with it. And then I discovered I've got to get certification called Part 107 to be able to fly my drone in that sense. So I began trying to get ready for the 107 test. It's 60 multiple choice questions put out by the FAA. Supposedly it's a very exhaustive test. It covers lots of different flight things, weather things, understanding weather charts, understanding airport charts, and a lot of other things. So I decided I was going to use ChatGPT, whom I adoringly called Coach. And so Coach was going to teach me how to do this, and he assured me he could do it. He said it would take 14 days of about an hour a day to get ready, and we had time to do that because my trip is in about a month. Well, I signed up, I decided to do this, and I got online, registered, and tried to find a local testing center. I thought I could do the 107 test online, but no, you have to actually go to a testing center when they have it scheduled. And the only one within about 400 miles radius of me was 2.5 days from the day I signed up. So I've got a challenge going on. I started studying Sunday evening, studied a few hours then. I've studied on and off through Monday. I got up early, stayed up late, and I still have a full-time job that I worked. And now here it is Tuesday morning. My test is Wednesday morning. So it has been a reminder of my college days, cramming for those exams, those all-nighters. And I'm telling you, at 66, the learning is actually a lot of fun. The staying up and getting no sleep, not nearly so much fun. But here it is, 4 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday morning, and I'm brewing the coffee. I'm gonna try to get in a couple of hours of study before the workday begins. And we'll see how it goes. I've been using ChatGPT to teach me a lot of this material, and then when I went on my walk last night, I just turned it on and had it quiz me for about an hour. And I've been doing that. I've been taking notes and I'm highlighting them and going over them, trying to pass this 107 or Part 107 of the FFA testing system so that I can legally fly my drone out on the Alpine Loop and put it on my New Mexico Mike channel. I don't know if I'm going to pass this test or not. I am enjoying the process to a large degree. But why don't you follow along, just subscribe, and we'll see if I pass this test or not. But have a good one. We'll catch up with you soon.